Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar fell 0.8% against the yen in the last trading session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 1.8% in the last session, after gaining as much as 2.8% during the session. The RSI indicates an overbought market. The last session saw the gold gain 0.5% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The oil gained 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The US banking sector saw its profits drop by nearly half in the last quarter of 2024, as large firms began paying hefty fees to help recoup costs incurred by several bank failures last spring, the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation reported. Tesla's Bitcoin holdings have become a topic of discussion in the crypto community again, after crypto data analytics platform Arkham Intelligence added Tesla's Bitcoin wallet tracking to its dashboard. Tesla's wallet now holds about 11,500 BTC, 1,780 more than it reported during its last earnings report. The dollar fell against the euro after the ECB kept rates steady, even as it acknowledged cooling inflation, and the US currency extended its decline against most other majors a day after Fed Chair Powell said the central bank still expects to cut rates later this year.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's gross domestic product will be released at 1000 hours GMT. The UK's NIESR GDP estimate at 1200 hours GMT. Germany's industrial production at 0700 hours GMT. The US average hourly earnings will be released at 1330 GMT. Japan's EcoWatchers survey outlook at 0500 hours GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.